popular question that comes up a lot is about demand generation. Do you want more leads? Effective demand generation tactics that you must know is what I'm going to reveal for you now. Well, first of all, what is demand generation? It's focused, targeted marketing that's designed to drive awareness and interest to your company's products and services. And demand generation is critical so that your business can grow and that you can have successful marketing programs. Now, when you have the right demand generation program, your company can attract new prospects, tap into new markets, and build this buzz around your business, which generates interest in the press, in customers, and will also help you retain your current customers. What's the difference, you may be wondering, between demand generation and versus lead generation? Demand generation versus lead generation. Well, there is a distinction between the two. Demand generation is targeted marketing, and it's different from lead generation because it includes activities that occur before the lead comes in a selling cycle. Unlike traditional marketing, demand generation not only relates to qualifying and prioritizing prospects, but it also includes nurturing qualified leads into the sales process. So it happens before we even get leads. It's critically important that you know the difference between lead generation and demand generation because your marketing needs to be able to demonstrate ROI for each marketing dollar that you spend. And demand generation marketing starts with even creating awareness about your products, your services, your brand, even your company. It can include online and offline marketing, inbound marketing, outbound marketing, and can even include just on creating a focus and awareness of your industry. Now, on the other hand, lead generation, that's how you're going to measure your demand generation efforts. Interesting that new job roles have even sprouted up, and many companies are hiring dedicated personnel for demand generation. So you'll find postings and job title listings like Demand Generation Manager and Vice President of Demand Generation. It's a big field. Let's talk about some demand generation tactics. Every business wants to have a continuous stream of qualified leads, right? And the best tactics will result in a lot of qualified leads and quality leads. Many companies spend a lot of money building a prospect database, a customer database, and all they find is that their prospects and the customers in their database are really misunderstood. And they're not necessarily giving buying signals to the company. They're not interested. So it's very important that you create a customized database strategy, which is based on the needs and wants of your prospects, as well as your customer needs and wants. And then you fine-tune that strategy so that you're moving your prospects and your customers into buying actions. There are many CRM generators on demand to select from that are going to monitor and measure your prospect as well as your customer responses to your marketing communications. And so to build the best prospect and customer relationships today, you need to use a CRM that allows you to foster and nurture both your prospects and your customers. The real value in any business, the real worth in any business is the database. With a great CRM, you can engage your prospects, engage your customers, you can measure the effectiveness of all of your marketing and see how you're doing on your return on investment, your ROI. The best demand generation tactic, it's one that nurtures every relationship. It's automated and it provides quality lead generation so you can close more business.